Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can swap your coins on Trust Wallet app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Trust Wallet app, and now once you open it, and yeah, make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Trust Wallet apps on in the screen, where you can see there is a swap option at the bottom of this dashboard. So let's tap on that swap, and now you can see you are in the hot token section by default, so you need to tap on the swap to switch to the swap section. So once you switch to the swap, you can see there is a from and to. So yeah, basically you can swap your coins in here successfully. So you can see in from there is a BTC, and to there is a USDT. So to show you a demo, let me type 1 in BTC, and now you can see, my bad, and now you can see 1 BTC worth 63,278.99 something USDT. So once you complete all the things, simply tap on the continue, but instead of continue, you can see there is a insufficient BTC balance because I don't have any kind of balance for now. So yeah, basically once you tap on the continue, you will be able to swap your coins on Trust Wallet successfully. So basically this is how you can swap your coins on Trust Wallet app. And if you still encounter an issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.